In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide text in Adobe Acrobat 2026 step by step. If you need to share a PDF but want to make certain details invisible and unrecoverable, the redact feature in Adobe Acrobat is the right tool. It doesn't just place a black box over text, it permanently removes the selected content from the file. I'll walk you through the exact process from opening your document to saving a secure redacted copy. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. In the upper left corner, click the menu button and choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the folder where your PDF lives, select the file you want to work with, and click Open again. Give the document a moment to load so all pages are available. With the file open, look to the left-hand panel. Find and select the option labeled Redact a PDF. This opens the redaction tools so you can safely hide sensitive information. Next, choose Redact Text and Images. This switches your cursor into selection mode and prepares Acrobat to mark anything you choose for redaction. Now click and drag over the text you want to hide. You'll see a visible marking appear over your selection, indicating what will be removed. Take your time here. Zoom in if you need precision, and ensure you've covered the entire word, phrase, or block of text. If you select something by mistake, you can undo before applying. At this stage, nothing is final. You're simply marking areas for redaction. Once you've marked everything you need to hide, look toward the lower part of the left panel or the redaction toolbar and click Apply. Acrobat will warn you that this action is permanent. Click Continue to confirm. The marked areas are now truly redacted, meaning the underlying text is removed and cannot be recovered by copying, searching, or inspecting the file. To finish, save your updated file to a folder. It's a good practice to save a new copy rather than overwriting your original, so you can keep an unmodified version if needed. Consider adding "redacted" to the file name to make it clear which file is safe to share. That's it. You opened your PDF, marked the sensitive text with the redact tool, applied the redactions to permanently remove the content, and saved a clean copy. Before you send the document, take a quick scroll through to confirm everything you intended to hide is properly redacted. Using this method ensures your information is not just hidden visually, but securely removed from the file.